What is that?
2,000 gigabytes. This is the hard drive or the
Wait, what?
The solid state drive.
This is what this looks like? I have hard drives. This is my first time.
That one you don't need to be too careful with. I mean, you should be careful with everything, but like just don't like bend it, right? But like it's pretty, yeah. That's your solid state drive. That's the drive that's gonna hold like your OS and
how
like,
much capacity?
2 terabyte. It's 2 terabytes.
2 terabytes?
And that thing is like wicked fast. That thing is like I think this is Gen 4. Yeah, NVMe like.
What is this paper? Do I remove that? It's like a sticker.
Yeah, you're gonna remove that. That's one of the things where like it would be a disaster if you didn't remove it. Like it would overheat and like brick itself like after like a couple months.
Is this like a protective cut? What about these stickers?
All right, so the reason why those stickers you leave. It should be like no.
Don't remove it?
Don't remove it.
This front one.
Wait. Are you sure? Open this. It's gonna go right here. You see this?
It's just a
Read the manual. Don't remove it. Oh, a lot of people are saying not to, so we'll look into it. Oh, it's a copper impregnated sticker. Interesting.
Well, I removed 1/4 of it off already. You got to remove this.
That you have to remove. So like, I'm a little bit confused. I've never seen an NVMe SSD that like isn't like bare like.
It says remove.
Yeah.
In the.
That you have to remove, but I guess I've one guide you, and then I had you remove a sticker that you shouldn't remove, like on the actual SSD. But I've literally like never seen that before.
Is this supposed to like?
Yeah, it clicks. There you go. What? Yeah.
Okay.
Hold on, that doesn't seem right. Yeah, I know the notching lines up.
Like the notching lines up, like right there at the end, like right there at the very end, right there. I didn't push it in, but like right there, that little notch lines up with a bolt, like a little screw hole. Well, also it's just like it can't be anything else.
Yeah, I mean, yeah.
There's no other way for it to go.
Maybe there's like a screw or something that like
it goes in so like easily. Like it's made for, like this hole's made for me. Like it's like it goes in so well. I can't imagine it's not this.
Yeah, you have to screw it in and then you put the plate back on. That like doesn't look right. Like why would they do that?
Look how sad it's made for this hole.
Okay, screw it in, I guess. Okay. You good? Okay.
That ain't right.
It like doesn't look right.
That ain't right, brother.
Right? I don't know. I don't think I've ever fucking seen that.
That doesn't look right. Are you sure? That ain't right. It's like it's bowed. it looks like it's gonna snap in two. Guys.
Who said if it fits, it fits?
Are you sure?
Get out of our stream right now. Get out. That's wrong. Remove the standoff.
The standoff?
It needs a standoff. Use the standoff. Okay.
I just bent this bitch like a fucking taco shell. Isn't this what I'm putting all my shit in? First of all, this sticker is like half off already because I like.
Okay, here's the standoff.
You're kidding me.
Is it fit?
It's like perfect.
Oh my god. Nice. There you go.
I can't believe I bent that.
We tried to peel it up. That thing got like straight abused. We tried everything to ruin it, and it was just like, why? Why?
It's flush now. Kinda. So this thing.
It's like we're like messing with your solid state drive, and it's like, oh, I wondered what would break first, your spirit or your body,
or your CPU, or the RAM.
Hey, congrats! It's installed. All right.
That's gotta be good.